Products and natural resources, page 5. Another valuable resource in the West region is oil. Oil was discovered in Alaska in the 1960s in the North Slope. The North Slope is near the Arctic Ocean. The oil was found in the Prudhoe Bay. Once it was found, it was needed to be transported to other areas. The Trans-Alaska Pipeline was built to carry oil from the North Slope. From the North Slope, it travels to Prince William Sound in Valdez, Alaska. The oil is pumped into supertankers. These supertankers carry the oil to other parts of the U.S. and the world. One stop is in San Francisco, California. San Francisco has oil refineries. The refineries prepare the oil so it can be used in homes and businesses. The Rocky Mountains are a source of many minerals. Deposits of copper, gold, and silver have been found within the mountains. Gold was found in California in 1848. During the gold rush, when people were moving west in search of riches, a small town in Colorado called Leadville was a popular mining spot for the gold. The miners found some gold, but it was hard to separate the gold from the local sand. The miners found that the heavy brown sand they were digging in was actually full of silver and lead. Then, instead of a gold rush, there was a silver boom. More and more people moved to the area in search of silver. Leadville became one of the world's largest silver camps. Soon the silver boom ended, but Leadville was lucky. Other valuable minerals were found in this area. One is molybdenum. Molybdenum is used in the production of high-strength steel. The steel produced in the West is used to manufacture other products. Aircrafts are made in Southern California. The state's warm climate makes it perfect for testing airplanes. Aircraft are also made in Seattle, Washington. You will also find shipbuilding industries on the Pacific coast. Fishing boats, tankers, and battleships are made in Washington and Hawaii. During the last 20 years, technology industries have started in the West in an area known as Silicon Valley. Silicon is a valuable mineral that is used to make computer parts. There are about 3,000 software companies and many other technology businesses in the area. There are many research centers in the West. These research centers are owned by our government. They test missiles, aircraft, and weapons. In the Great Basin, there is valuable open space. Missiles and military weapons are tested there.